Autopilot is your ticket to financial freedom. Watch this video and get ready to take the first step towards your new business. This is your host. Welcome to my channel. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, Autopilot has everything you need to launch your online business and start making passive income. Inside this comprehensive masterclass, you'll discover the fundamental principles of affiliate marketing, proven strategies for generating traffic, and a step-by-step process for launching your own profitable online business. Plus, with features like My Profile and My Purchases, you'll always have quick access to your progress and transactions. Don't miss our site tour video below. It's your roadmap to unlocking the full potential of Autopilot. From getting started to setting up your profit site, mastering the ultimate online business masterclass, and building a winning mindset, we've laid out everything you need to create your new future. But Autopilot is more than just a platform, it's a community. You'll have access to our members area, our private Facebook group and live events, plus dedicated support every step of the way. So here's your next step. Dive into the material in your dashboard, follow the steps carefully and prepare to launch your business as soon as possible. Remember, you're not alone. Our team and community are here to support you. Welcome to Autopilot, where your dreams of financial independence can become a reality. Let's make it happen together.